I believe this is a B is for build BMW. Just rotting here. Right here, mounts, intake. Not sure if this is an actual piece for build car, but it says it's just for build in front. Just came to our friends, and yeah, B is for build official radiator, the brackets that he built, the intake. Well, yeah, it's an off-road car that B is for build had some fun with. I think this is where he mounted the rockets or whatever they call it. It's pretty cool to see this car. Well, it's been rotting here for a while. But yeah, everything's a bunch of foam. I don't know if this was BS for build foam or not, but yeah, I guess they probably bought their BMW and they used the body frame for another car, so they just bought this car for parts. Yeah, so this is where it is. I don't know, BS for build is wondering where it is. Well, this is where it's at. Yeah. There it is. I don't know. There's those brackets that he welded. Yeah.